Good. Good afternoon, everyone. And it's good to have you all on this live stream on the time with Crypto IO. And today it's going to be a continuation of the class we started yesterday, GST103 slash G CIT104. All right, so this courses has a lot in common. All right, what differentiates DSC 103 from CIT104 is that CIT104 is a little bit detailed compared to GS103. All right, and we did justice to the course yesterday, which we almost finished the material. We're halfway done. All right, so today's tutorial we're going to conclude with the course. All right, and this is a one-on-one Telegram class, which is strictly um, exclusive to people in the private class alone. All right, so the recorded version will be made available to the general public. All right, but people in the private class get the one-on-one discussion and contribution, which we are doing right away. All right, and I believe by now every member of the student, every member of the class has the keynote already, keynote of both courses. All right, so it's going to be a discussion. A majority has gone through it, so we're going to be discussing what we understand by certain terms and some right some things. All right, so with this being said, I'm going to start with Mr. Chosen. Mr. Chosen, you can unmute yourself if you are not muted, and so you can start the class. Thank you. You're starting from monitor. What you understand by the term monitor? Mr. Chosen. Okay, for the rest of us who are just joining this class, if you don't mind, you can all show your faces. Let's do it to switch on our video. Mr. Chosen, can you hear me? Okay, I think let me move to the next person. Mr. Chosen might be having issues with network. Miss okay, I have Miss Blessing. Can you unmute yourself?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, ma. Are you taking the course GS103 or CIT104?
You said?
Are you taking any of these courses, GS103 or CIT104?
GS104. But in both of them, sir.
CIT104. CIT104.
Sir?
CIT104. Are you taking the course?
104. You GS104 now.
Okay.
I thought
Okay, that's fine.
GS104.
Okay, no, this is CIT104 class and GST103. All about computers. All right. So you can just mute yourself. You can stay behind if you want. All right. So, Mr. Alfred, are you there? You can unmute yourself, Mr. Alfred. Mr. Alfred. Okay. Can you all hear me? Mr. Alfred, please unmute yourself if you can hear me. Okay, maybe he's having issues with his network. All right. So I have Miss Choosing and Mr. Alfred. You can unmute your mic as soon as you can. So I was so particular about Miss Lena yesterday. So I have Miss Titi in the class today. Miss Titi, please can you unmute yourself? All right. Okay. Maybe students today are having issues with the network or something. All right. So let's just continue. Maybe hopefully the network will be stable and students can make contributions. So I have the monitor. All right. Now, when we say the monitor, what are we talking about? Okay. The monitor is said to be the monitor does not do any processing. All right. It only displays the information that the video card tells it to display. That is the monitor. So we can say that the monitor and the video card work hand in hand. All right. The monitor and the video card works hand in hand. All right. And there's something called VGA and SVGA. Now, when we talk about VGA, we're talking about visual graphic, that's a video graphic array. That's a VGA, video graphic array, and these are types of monitors, right? When we talk about the VGA and the SVGA, there are two types of monitors we have. All right, so we have that as that. Now, the two most common acronyms, just like I said earlier on, the two common acronyms you see on current monitors are VGA and SVGA. Now, both of these terms generally refer to how many dots or pixels, all right, in each direction the monitor can display. All right, maybe majority of you must have heard me saying something about improve your video quality. And how do you do that on YouTube? You have to go and change the video quality. You have to go and change the pixels. All right, this is what determines what the quality of your video is like. Unmute yourself, sir. Mr. Choosing. Unmute.
I've done that. I'm just entering the house. I need to just go. I'll be listening for the background.
You need to leave.
No, I'm with you. I'm with you, sir.
Okay, good. So you are supposed to take the intro, all right? But it's fine. I've been able to say something, so you can just take it up from the scanners. Are you with your keynote? Unmute yourself, sir.
I'll get my keynote now. I'm just entering the house. Let me just set it down.
Okay. Settle down, sir, and join fully. Miss Lena, are you there?
Yes, I'm here, sir.
Okay, you can on your video. Mr. Alfred, you can on your video. I mean, I'm wondering why I still need to remind us to on our video. It's a Telegram class for crying out loud. We're supposed to see our faces, discuss. I mean, this is what this class is all about. And I'm still the one doing the talking, which I don't like. I'm not supposed to do the talking here. We're supposed to. It's a discourse. All right. Is Mr. Jolas here already? Okay, Mr. Jolas is here. Mr. Jolas, can you unmute yourself? Mr. Jolas.
Yeah.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
Have you started for a long time?
No, we just started.
Yeah,
I think
because
about 20 minutes ago.
20 minutes ago, the time is changed. This is why I don't even, I did not keep up to the time.
Oh, okay. It's not bad. We've not gone far. We only talked about the monitor. We talked about different types of the monitor. We have the VGA and the SVGA. All right. So I believe you got your keynote yesterday, so you can talk to us about scanners. Mr. Jolas, you can take it off from there. Scanners.
I got the keynote, but the keynote, I did not have time to really go through it. I stood up yesterday night at about 3 o'clock, but I couldn't achieve a lot.
Okay. But do you have the keynote with you there?
I have the keynote, yes, right here with me.
Please, can you open it, sir? And if any one of us have the keynote, please let's open it. That's why I sent it earlier. Miss Lena. Sorry, am I pronouncing the word well? Is it Lena or Lena?
Helena.
Unmute yourself. And why are you eating in the class? Class is going on, you are eating. Is it because it's Telegram class?
Sorry, sir, I'm still in church and I'm still going to be here till 9 p.m. So I have to.
Oh, sorry. So now, do you have anything on the scanner?
Yeah, I talked about the scanners. They look and behave a lot like a photocopier.
Also, it behaves a lot like a photocopier. All right. So basically, the scanners are peripheral devices. All right. They are peripheral devices used to what digitalize. The keyword here is they devices used to digitalize, all right, convert to electronic format. When you say digitalize, when you convert something into an electronic format, all right. So basically, they digitalize photographs, text, artworks, and other items into hard copy. All right. So a scanner, in a sense, works as a pair of eye of your computer. So the other day that I said the monitor works as a pair of eye. That means I was not on point. Basically, the scanner works as a pair of eye of your computer. All right. So please let's take note of that. Mr. Alfred, are you with me? Can you hear me? Okay, very well. So, Mr. Jonas, have you opened the keynote, sir?
Yes, I've done that.
Please, can you take us through the types of scanners?
Yeah, according to what is written here is, if I can get that right, is flatbed scanner.
Okay, what does it say, sir? Flatbed
It says it look and behave like a photocopier.
Okay,
It said
that's
it
a
looks and
flatbed.
behave like a photocopier, and
Okay,
and then you have a shift feed scanner.
all
They
right.
look and more like a fax machine.
Okay,
It
and
looks and act more like a fast machine.
also,
Yeah, but this one, let me talk a little bit. This one
okay,
that looks and act like a scanner machine is it the fast together with the scanner that you can use it to scan and forward the hard copy at the same time.
which one are you particular about? Is it the sheet fed?
Yeah, the shift first scanners. Yeah.
Okay. So what's the question, sir?
You said it look more like a fast machine. You know,
Yes,
there are some fast machines that when you have to fast, when you become a fast, and then you
yes.
can print out, and then it becomes a hard copy. And there are some of them that you can scan it and then send it as a fast. In this process, you are not putting
Okay.
the hard copy into the machine. You just place it on top of the glass, cover it, scan it, and then
Okay.
yeah.
This particular one, sir, you have to feed the machine with the file. You feed into the machine. So it's not the one that you scan, it's the one that you have to open, slot in, and feed it with before it can now produce whatever it is you want to produce for you.
Okay, I get it. That is the older pattern of scanning fast
Yes.
machine.
Now
Yeah.
the fax machine itself, nobody uses it anymore now. It's an old fashioned thing.
Yeah,
Many
it's
other
an
people
old-fashioned fast machine. Yes, I know
update
that.
it.
Yes.
Okay. So we have which one as well?
I think these are the two type of scanners that are here.
So there's one more.
The OCR.
That's the hand scanner.
Where is that? I can't find that here.
Is it the
That's the third one.
OCR, sir?
Yes.
No, it's not the
Okay.
it's not like
OCR for optical character recognition. Which one is that?
wait,
OCR.
which keynote did you open, sir?
The first one.
GST103.
Okay. What I have here is just CIT106. Let me open GST103. But I expected us to open that of CIT. Because that one is what we are using. Because that one is
I don't have CIT, sir.
Which one are we
You
using,
don't have
please?
CIT.
No, sir, because
Sir?
I don't offer CIT.
Now,
Hello,
in
sir.
GST, what did you say, sir?
Is it the, I mean, which of the keynotes are we using? 103 or the CI?
You can open both. We're using CIT104.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So now, the CIT104, we have 3. But here, this CIT10, GST103, we have just 2. But inside this CIT104 now, we have the hand scanner. And the hand scanner is said to be, hand scanner are low cost alternative to their, all right, they are low cost alternative scanner that are more to more sophisticated scanners. They are now this OCR you are talking about falls under these hand scanners, all right. But in CIT104 it was properly categorized. Do we get it? So if you have the CIT104, open CIT104 instead. All right.
Okay, let me open CIT104. Let me open that. I have to switch on into internet because I have to go online and open it.
So that's fine. So Mr. Choosing, you can take it up from auxiliary equipment. Mr. Choosing, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can take it up from auxiliary equipment.
I'm still looking for that.
Okay, you're still looking for it. Okay, how about Miss Lena?
I don't have that in my keynote, so I didn't study it. No, sir, he sent me just GST103 because I don't offer CIT104. I requested, you only sent me 103.
You request for CIT104. I told everybody to request yesterday.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir.
Mr. Jolas, have you opened it?
I'm on the process of opening it. It's a bit delaying.
Okay, Miss Molola, can you hear me? Mr. Molola, you can unmute yourself.
Where I am is noisy. Where I am is noisy.
Okay, that's fine. Miss Regina, finally, you are
Hello,
here.
sir. Can you hear me now?
Mr. Chosen, I can hear you, but please hold on a bit.
Hello? Yeah, yes, please.
Yes, Mr. Chosen, I can hear you, but hold on a bit.
Okay.
Miss Regina, can you hear me?
I can hear you faintly. It's breaking.
Okay. What about now, ma?
It's still the same thing. It's breaking.
Okay. Do you have
So I have
both
it.
keynotes, CIT104 and GST103, ma?
Hello, I can't hear you, sir.
Mr. Jolas, can you hear me well?
Yes, I can hear you. I can hear you. Is echoing? I can hear you.
Is echoing?
I can hear Mr. Mr. Jewelers, that from your end is breaking.
It's by me. It's not breaking.
Okay.
It's just
I think
echoing.
I've disconnected it from the Bluetooth.
So it's good now. It's good.
Okay.
Is it any better now?
It's
Yes,
better now, sir.
Ah, my goodness, this is really fixed, and I can't even find my head. Let's continue. Mr. Jolas, you've opened it now. Just continue. So you start from auxiliary equipment.
Okay. Okay, so can I continue now?
Mr.
Can I
Juela,
go on? I have it now. Can I go ahead with it, please?
okay, I think Mr. Juela is now, Mr. Choosing, please, you can go ahead, please.
All right, the auxiliary equipment. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes.
The auxiliary equipment, as the name suggests, it's not a computer, but it's necessary in a computing environment in order to ensure proper functioning and smooth running of computer activity.
So can you explain, sir?
Yes, sir. Okay, now, like, from the explanation, I can tell that the auxiliary equipment, there are other equipment or tools that provide help or assistance in, in a computer environment, in a place where computer activities are being carried out, and the other supporting devices that make the experience, and make the work easier and faster and effective and all of that.
Okay, proper. So what are the things we have that enhances computer to work smoothly?
Well, okay. We have uh, the air condition, and like in a computer environment, the heat usually produces of high intensity. So when you have fans, the computer environment, the voltage stabilizer, and the line voltage transformer, they are all devices meant to step down or step down voltages, or meant to step up or step down voltages, as the case may be, and to also make the environment comfortable for the computer user and other participants.
Also, I'm really having issues with my microphone, so please, you all should pardon me. I don't know what's wrong with my phone. It's just so, the volume is so low, and I don't want to end the stream to open another one. So let's just bear with me. Now, thank you very much for that. So now, under the auxiliary equipment, we have the UPS. Okay, we have the voltage stabilizer. We have the air conditioner, and the UPS simply stands for uninterrupted power supply. All right. So now, just like what we said yesterday, computer is driven by software. All right. Computer is driven by software in different forms. All right. So we have under that operating system. Mr. Alfred, can you hear me?
I have a question, sir. The thing is cutting.
I'm struggling to open the file. It's showing bad file, and I'm trying to download. My son just discovered that it's WMS. What? WPC.
Okay. It's okay, sir.
So that's what I tried to download. It's showing bad file.
That's fine. Sorry about it. Okay.
It's showing bad
Mr.
file.
Jima said he has a question.
Don't give me shit.
Yes, I have it. So sometimes I'm hearing you, sometimes I'm not, but I can live with that. So my question is the voltage stabilizer. We all know what voltage stabilizer really is, but how does it function? This is my question. How does it function? Does it stabilize the electricity? How does it manage to pull down the voltage? For example, if you have a 240 volt and pull it down to about 12 volts. How does it do? Thank you.
struggling to hear. Please, then, you know what? Let me just end this class. Let me restart it because I really need to hear what each and every one of us is saying, but I'm really struggling to hear us. Let me end this class and restart it.